Hello everyone, I am Lucy and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going on a fun journey through the entire year. Do you know how many months are in a year? That's right, there are 12 months. Each one is special and brings its own unique flavor. Let's dive in and learn about them all one by one. We kick things off with January, the very first month of the year. It's usually cold outside in many places, but it is also a time for new beginnings and excitement. As people all over the world celebrate the new year, it's a fresh start for everyone. Next up is February, the second month. February is a bit of an oddball because it's the shortest month of the year with only 28 or sometimes 29 days. Have you ever heard of a leap year? That's when February gets an extra day. It's also known as the month of love, as many people celebrate Valentine's Day by sharing cards and gifts with people they care about. Following February is March, the third month. March is a month of change. For many of us, it marks the beginning of spring. The snow starts to melt. Flowers begin to peek out from the ground, and the weather slowly starts to get a little warmer. You can really feel the world waking up after a long winter sleep. Then comes April, the fourth month of the year. What's one thing you think of when you hear April? For many, it's rain. April showers are famous for helping all the Mayflowers grow. It's a time when nature gets a good drink of water, making everything green and lush. And that brings us to May, the fifth month. May is often just beautiful. The rain from April has worked its magic, and flowers are blooming everywhere. The weather is usually warm and pleasant, making it the perfect time to go outside and play in the park or have a picnic. We're halfway through the year with June, the sixth month. Hello, summer! June officially welcomes the start of the summer season. The days get longer, the sun shines brighter, and school is often out for a long break. It's time for sunshine and outdoor adventures. July, the seventh month, is right in the heart of summer. It's typically one of the hottest months of the year. Think swimming pools, ice cream, and barbecues. It's the perfect time to enjoy all the classic summer activities and make some sunny memories. Next is August, the eighth month. August continues the summer fun. With the weather still warm and sunny, it's a very popular month for people to go on vacation. Families travel to the beach, the mountains, or visit new cities. It's the last big chance to soak up the summer sun before things start to change again. As summer fades, we enter September, the ninth month. The biggest event in September for many kids and teenagers is heading back to school. The leaves on the trees might start to change colors, and the air begins to feel a little cooler. A new school year means new friends and new things to learn. After September, we have October, the 10th month. October is famous for one spooky and exciting holiday, Halloween. People dress up in costumes, carve pumpkins into jack-o'-lanterns, and go trick-or-treat. It's a month full of fun, creativity, and of course, candy. Then we have November, the 11th month. The weather gets colder, and you might need to start wearing your coat and scarf again. In some places, like the United States, November is when families gather to celebrate Thanksgiving, a holiday about being grateful and sharing a big meal with loved ones. Finally, we reach the end of the year with December, the 12th and final month. December is packed with festive cheer. It's a time of holidays and celebrations for many cultures around the world, like Christmas. Twinkling lights decorate the streets, and people spend time with family and friends. And just like that, the month ends with New Year's Eve as we count down to start the whole cycle all over again. And there you have it all. 12 months of the year. From the cold start of January to the festive end of December, each month has its own special moments and memories. What's your favorite month? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time.